of June, when the roses were in bloom, the birds were singing merrily in the trees. That's where I met my miss, so I simply asked her this: where do you keep your little charm? She said, underneath my gown, so I gently laid her down, and I ruffled up that little ball of yarn. Now 9 months after this, I was sitting in my room when a knock came a knocking on my door. It was an officer in blue. He said, my boy, I've come for you. You're the father of a 10-pound bastard boy. So in my cell I sit, my short tail dipped in shit. The crabs are playing ping pong with my balls. And as the women pass, the jingle peanuts up my ass before I ruffled up that little ball of yarn.
Thank you.